Creating a captivating movie explanation video has never been easier thanks to the power of AI. Today we'll use a new tool called Runway Mill, which is designed to make video creation seamless and fun, even for beginners. Best of all, it's free to use. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Runway Mill website. Head over to www.runwaymill.com and sign up for a free account. Runway Mill is a versatile AI tool that allows you to edit videos, add text, and even create storylines effortlessly. Step 2. Prepare your movie clips. Before you dive in, gather the movie clips or trailers you want to use for your explanation video. Make sure you have permission to use them or select content that falls under fair use. Step 3. Upload your clips to Runway ML. Log into your Runway ML account and start a new project. Upload your movie clips by clicking on the Upload Media button. The tool supports multiple formats and offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. Step 4. Generate AI-powered explanations. Once your clips are uploaded, use Runway Mill's AI features to generate summaries or key insights about the movie. The tool provides a text-to-video option where you can input your script or let AI create one for you based on the movie's themes and highlights. Step 5. Preview and export after editing. Preview your movie explanation video. Once you're satisfied, export it in high quality. The tool also allows you to directly upload the video to platforms like YouTube. Conclusion. With Runway Mill, you can easily create engaging movie explanation videos that grab attention and deliver value. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this tool simplifies the process and saves you time. Thanks for watching AI Talks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting AI content. See you in the next video.